Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how we can host the static website on the GCP platform, right? So for that we need to go to the GCP console and go to the bucket. First we need to create a bucket. For creating the bucket name, keep in mind it should be unique, right? So I'm just giving my channel name here, right? You can put your name over there, and I'm using the region only here. I'm going with the default setting generally. Click on the region, go to the continue. Okay, and the default class also as well. So means I'm using the default setting because it is my first lab for the storage purpose. So we are just click on confirm, and it will be create a storage bucket for you, right? Just refresh it, you will see here there's a bucket, right? Once it's done, just upload one index.html file over there. I have already created for you, right? You can create any file and just give the extension index.html. Once it's done, we have to go over there and we have to set the permission so that it can be publicly accessible. For that, you need to just select this bucket, go to the permission section, and first you have to remove the all public prevention button. Just click on that and confirm it. Once it's done, go to the grant access over there, click the all, click here all users for you, right? Once it will be appear over there, select a role and then click the role over cloud storage object viewer over role over there, right? Once it's done, okay, just save it and allow public access. Once done, just refresh this page and you will see this is the public to internet here. Just click on the object and just refresh one or two times, you will see, and you will get one URL over there for that. So just wait over there. Okay, just refresh it again. Okay, now go to their bucket, and now here you can just copy the URL and paste in your web browser. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.